It's been some rocky last few days for most investors, and what we're going to do in this short video is we're going to talk a bit of some of the ideas that I discussed lately, namely EURUSD, crude oil, the Dow Jones, and as well Ethereum. What happened here with EURUSD is that we traded to a new multi-month low, and that triggered a double bottom pattern with a target of 111.45. And for now, it's a bit too early because we haven't necessarily left. I mean, we left the breakout point, but we haven't really departed from that level. So I'm still bearish, and I'm bearish below 117.50. But ultimately, if we trade a little bit lower over the next couple of days, we might be able to reduce the trend funding level to the actual breakout candle high. So just around 117.22. Crude oil, we talked about selling here as well. It's been bearish for quite some time actually, and we got this entry here on August 18. We spent 2 days below this level now, and again, it might be a little bit too early to do stop loss orders, so I would keep it still here at just above the breakout candle high around 67.12. But if it attacks the breakout point and then sort of gets rejected, or spend a few more days down here, at one point we might be able to reduce the stop level just to above the breakout point around 65.53. Now we have also as well the Dow Jones. We were looking here for a massive inverse head and shoulders type pattern or ascending triangle, depending on how you want to interpret it. And we had a potential target here of 37,229. But what happened here is that you got I bought it, immediately got into profit, and we had very nice correction which was bought, and then we have another correction, and that was also bounced. But then ultimately the market gave up, and I was stopped out here. And what happens here though is this, right? You lose that tiny bit with the anticipation to make this huge amount, and it's the same thing here with your USD. You would be looking to risk a relatively small amount, like that amount here, and same thing with crude oil. You risk this small amount here with the idea that you're gonna get a big profit. And a recent one that went well, and an analysis that we talked about in this Twitter handle and YouTube channel, is that we said, break to Ethereum here to 2,410 can lift you up towards 29. And here's exactly what we want, right? So if we just nail one of these, we are going to compensate for 2-3 bad trades of the other kind when we get stopped out. And, that might not be easy for everybody to follow. But the truth is this: it's very difficult for us to know, what's going to happen with the news. What's going to happen with the economic data over the next couple of weeks and months, and more importantly, how the people are going to react to it. Sometimes they react to the data in one way, sometimes they react to the data another way. We cannot control that, but we can look for patterns like the ones I just showed you, and we can also manage our risk. And if we do that correctly, we can become profitable traders. At least that's what I have been doing, and I'm profitable since 2014, trading with similar strategies that I showed you here in this short video. If you have any questions, as always, you can just tweet back to me on this handle, and I'm happy to answer any questions you may have. Thank you.